Stark County, Ohio, Drain Layers Bond. What is Illinois Surplus Lines Producers License Bond? The Stark County, Ohio, Drain Layers Bond is a surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or modify drainage systems within the county. It serves as a financial guarantee that the drain layer will comply with county regulations, approved plans, and technical standards. The bond protects the county and property owners from losses caused by defective or non-compliant drainage work. Why is Stark County, Ohio, Drain Layers Bond required? Stark County requires this bond to ensure drainage work is performed safely, correctly, and in accordance with local codes. It helps prevent damage to public infrastructure, neighboring properties, and natural waterways caused by improper installation. The bond also provides a mechanism for compensation if the contractor fails to meet their legal or contractual obligations. How does Stark County, Ohio, Drain Layers Bond works? The drain layer purchases the bond from a surety company and files it with Stark County before beginning work. If the contractor violates regulations or causes damage, an affected party may file a claim against the bond. The surety may pay valid claims, but the contractor is ultimately responsible for reimbursing the surety for any amounts paid. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.